Man, stay far from woman now because we don't war over a woman, you know, brother. And bad man no ball over woman, you know, that best tell us the truth, you know. Yo. Man, stay far from woman, my yo. Good morning everyone, good morning YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Ty. Now I'm here with some very sad news. Yeah, come from Jamaica or Caribbean, anyone who come from, you know Yaadman Etan Go. Everybody know Yaadman Etan. Me subscribe to Yaadman Etan YouTube channel from before me go start the YouTube. I met people that all like the next thing. Respect the man as a creator, as an influencer, as a YouTuber. You see me? And then the man gonna do something like this, people. Yaadman Etan stole my girlfriend. It breaks my heart. I received a video from one of my friends recently. See, Yaadman Etan with my girlfriend. She making some weird noise in the background, and Yaadman Etan is there with her as well, and she's making some weird noise. And then I received a picture of both of them smiling also. Right? Yaadman Etan, why you have to do this? You know me, the like her first. The world know me like her. I've written poems for her. Right? I even go as far as buying a ring for her. I proposed to her. Etan, why you do this, dog? No, may have to go beef on YouTube, my God. My YouTube Jamaican not be beef, you know, brother. This movie, I make it out there, you know. Basically, I'm gonna show you guys the video that I received from my friend, and I'm gonna also show you the picture. We get a picture of both Etan and my girlfriend smiling together. Right, they're having a jolly good time. While I'm over here hurt, heartbroken. can't believe this, man. I'm showing you the video right now because we can't understand. Oh, Ethan to do this. Keep me no want people to tell Jamaican now. Ethan, why? Couldn't even laugh. Look on the picture, people. Don't put it on the screen. Look at them laugh. They want to enjoy themselves. I can't me just propose to her. I can't me write a poem for her last week. Is it? Basically, look on the video, people. Watch the video.
Hold on, let me get on one knee for that one here. I need to get on one knee for that one here. Shenying, we can strangle and tie you up like goat. Man, go about your business.
Man, I asked if you can strangle and tie up my girlfriend like a goat. You ask my girlfriend if I can strangle and tie her up like goat. You see my girl and I ask your woman that my youth. My woman here ask if I can tie up like goat. And then she had the audacity for me like a goat. Listen, no, she sounds, she be sexy instead of me, people. Seriously, my girlfriend, my youth. Man, I go on knee.
Hold on, let me get on one knee for that one here. I need to get on one knee for that one here. Shenying, we can strangle and tie you up like goat. Man, go about your business.
My dad, I go on knee, my youth. My dad passed the limit now. My just go on me and propose to her last week, brother. And you go on knee, I go ask her if you can strangle and tie her up like goat. And then she have more like a goat, my. Shano. Make me call the Crocs them for here in my youth. Yo, Crocs! Crocs! Make me call the Crocs them for here in that. Yo, I'm call the Crocs them, the big Crocs them that in the youth. But one positive come out there. She run him. She said, go on where I go. That is positive, she run him. But one positive can't bring back so much right. It can't correct so much wrong. One positive can't correct so much wrong. Look on the picture of them and smile. Watch that. My dead will laugh. And she had dead will laugh. No, I can't go for him. I can't watch it. Ethan, I catch you now. Hey, you can't do them things, am I? My own dog. My youth, she a mine dog. You should see her feeling. My youth. My take care of them, so yeah, brother. My youth. That man kill for woman in Jamaica, dog. You can't do them things, dog. You should see her my woman, my youth. My youth. My youth, stay far from woman, dog. Because we don't war for a woman, you know, brother. And bad man no ball over woman, you know. That best of it too, you know. Yo. Yo, my youth, stay far from woman, my youth. My youth, may you have things like that. Stay far from woman, my youth. But I get to understand, say a long time you go after her too. I post my Instagram about dreams and accomplishment and bag of chips and bag of this. My youth, stay far from woman, dog. Stay far from woman, brother. I'm gonna stay by camera and body, and I'm gonna call woman and say what I go on. So that me tell you, stay far from woman, brother. Stay far from yo. Stay far from woman, you know you. Yo, Jamaican man love the woman already. Just stay far from woman, you know that. Like you just propose to woman a while. You don't have to go and touch it, man. You just say if you don't stay far from woman, dog. Then you got things, that. Yo, don't talk. Post one more with woman in this one. Post one more with her, tell me to post one more. If you post one more with woman, then you post one more. Yo. More woman here, man.